Have you ever saved your money for like 2-3 weeks, felt so proud, and suddenly spent the entire money next week because you feel life is short? Yeah, that's a guilt loop. Because you feel saving money is a responsible act and it starts to feel boring after a while. We think saving is being responsible, but somehow it feels like a punishment, like a financial broccoli. You skip that coffee for a few days and feels like a responsible queen. Then a bad day at work, home. $2,000 gone for emotional shopping and stress eating. Then that guilt hits, you feel terrible for spoiling your entire progress. You're like, I just ruined my entire progress. Then next week, you start to oversave to make up for the last time. Then you crash again. That's not budgeting. That's yo-yo financing. Here's what's happening. Your brain feels spending as a reward and saving as a loss. It's called loss-aversion. We feel twice as bad losing 500 than we feel good gaining 500. So when you don't buy something, your brain feels like losing something. That's why it rebels. But here's the truth. Saving isn't deprivation, it's self-trust. You're not punishing yourself, you're taking care of future you. When you reframe saving as a gift to your future self, your brain will start to feel less heavy. Rename your savings seriously. Instead of calling it emergency fund, start calling it a peaceful jar, peace cushion jar, girl trip money. Make it emotional, not mechanical, and start celebrating it like it's your salary day. Like when you transfer your money from salary account to savings account, you need to feel like, I just pay my peace of mind bill. You can start small, 100, 500, it doesn't matter. Because consistency is greater than the amount. Track it on your financial app. I use paisa.cash to track my peace fund growing month by month. That's when savings feels like a gift rather than a punishment. And tomorrow we are diving deeper into the brain when you buy things to impress somebody who aren't even watching. Subscribe so that we can fix our finance together.